Module 2, how do I use the graphic organizer? So here's the graphic organizer. You can see it is split into 4 boxes, but there are 5 steps. You will first ask yourself, what do I know? What do I need to find out? Then which operation will I use? And I will draw my work here and then share my answer and how I got there in the last box. This follows those problem-solving steps. Let's say we have the word problem. 4 red fish and 3 yellow fish were swimming together. How many fish in all? Let's break it down. So first you ask, what do I need to know? I look in my question, or what do I know? I look in my question. There are 4 red fish and 3 yellow fish. So I record there are 4 red fish and 3 yellow fish. Now I need to ask, what do I need to find? I look in my story problem, look for my question, and it says, how many fish in all? You've already completed step 1 and 2 so quickly. You then answer, which operation will I use? Look at your question, look for the clues. When I see that word in all, that means I'm going to add. I'm going to put 2 parts together to make a whole. And now we get to the fun part, number 4, where you draw your work. I look at what I know, and that guides me in what I need to draw. So I know I have 4 red fish. So I draw 4 red fish. If you do not have time, there are other ways you can draw 4 red fish, but we'll get into that later. Now I look at my second part. I have 3 yellow fish. So I draw 3 yellow fish. Now it is time to solve. I record what I know, so I know I have 4, and I know I have plus 3, and I count them all to find the answer, which equals 7. So I write down my equation, 4 plus 3 equals 7, and I explain that addition means to count them all. I could even go above and beyond and say count them all to find the sum. That is our very simple, easy way to use a graphic organizer. This graphic organizer can be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. You could also use it for place value, geometry. You can use a graphic organizer for anything that you need to problem solve with.